How to fix App Store apps not updating on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and tap on cellular and then scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi assist option and further enable the Wi-Fi assist button. Next, in settings again, tap on the App Store option and further make sure the toggle button for app updates is toggled on. Next, make sure your iPhone has enough storage space for auto updates. So go ahead and in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage and check your iPhone space, and then you can delete apps or clear cache to increase the space if you are low on space. And if none of these seem to fix your issue, then open App Store and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and further scroll down to the bottom and tap on the sign out option and sign back in a while, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So this is how you can fix App Store apps not updating on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.